Guess the shoe challenge with my girlfriend. I will be blindfolded. Pag nakatama ako ng 10, at least 10 shoes, libre niya ako milk tea. Converse, Chuck Taylor. Ay, wait lang. May punit dito. Katie Mountain 2. Ata, low. Next, please. Ay, Ultra Boost. May 3 stripes dito eh.
Feel ko nakakita mo. Repeat tayo. Ayan.
Sabrina. Sabrina 1. Jordan 1. Lucky Green.
Ito.
Wait
Tama
lang,
na.
wait lang. Freak 5. Freak 5 from
Ah.
Titan. Forum Low. Adidas Forum Low. Hirap-hirapan mo naman.
Ito favorite mo to.
Adidas Continental. Galing sa'yo. Ito yung galing kay Kyle Jimenez na 361. Jordan 1 High. Washed black. Favorite ko yan eh. Jawon.
1, 2, 3.
Air Force 1.
1, 2, 3.
Mamba Ridge.
1, 2, 3.
Ayun, Mamba Ridge na yun. Sayang mo naman.
Ay.
May nabasag
1, 2, 3.
Jordan 1 Low. SE True Blue. Boom! Milk tea!